If you have color damaged hair and are looking for some budget shampoos, then you need to see this video. Basic shampoos may not save your hair because you need structural repair. Hair is composed of keratin chains held by multiple bonds, strong disulfide bonds and the weaker hydrogen and ionic bonds. Color and heat damage the disulfide bonds while non-permanent styling affects the other bonds. Now let's review 3 shampoos which claim to repair this damage. First, Wishcare Triple Bond Repair Shampoo. So I was in Sri Lanka and I was washing my hair almost daily and I had taken the shampoo with me. On their website, they are showing before and after results which seem a bit exaggerated, but let's review the product. It has 5% aminopeptide complex which claims to fix all 3 hair bonds, disulfide, ionic and hydrogen. It is sulfate free which is great for dry damaged hair like mine, uses gentle surfactants which cleans hair without stripping moisture. If your hair is damaged due to bleaching or chemical treatments, you may like this shampoo. It's a good product at the price you pay for it. I've used this one and I like it, but please do not expect magical results from the first wash. That absolutely cannot happen. Next, Plix Hibiscus Bond Repair Shampoo. First of all, I think this before and after pic is very shady. No shampoo can turn your visibly wavy hair straight. This shampoo focuses on the ionic and hydrogen bonds of your hair. It uses FiberHance BM technology, a glucose-based molecule which goes inside your hair and repairs the bonds. This is also sulfate-free, which is great, has 3% plant keratin for surface-level patching. It also has hibiscus extract as the 4th ingredient, which is awesome. It has conditioning properties for the hair. If your hair is brittle but not very damaged, you may like this. It did not do much for my color damaged hair, so I will not use it again. Now, Dove Peptide Bond Strength Shampoo. It claims it makes hair 20x stronger over consistent usage using citric acid to balance the hair pH and seal the cuticle. It has peptides in the ingredient list too, which is awesome, but it is SLES based, which can be moisture stripping for dry damaged hair like mine, because of which I will never use it. But if you have oily hair, you can give this one a try. Let me know what do you want me to review next.